Hi, welcome back, guys. So, most times there are categories like posts in the different sections of our website. So, to integrate that into something relatable to our page carton admin panel, we embed them so they can be automated using application underscore article underscore show or other types of widgets available on page carton. We can go through this website to check for how we can use our widgets and our post type parameters. And we have to ensure that we use only standard post types. So when users users don't need to update their content again when they change themes. Other parameters to note are add a new post, to know the number of posts to be displayed. We have length of title, length of description, to know the number of characters to use in those parts. And this a pictorial example, a picture to show you what a, a standard post type can contain. We have this class, this is the post type, this is the article types, and the likes. I will go through that for you later. And other widgets that can be added, that can be used. We have application underscore site info. We have Iola underscore menu. So let's go to this link. Let's copy it and put let's go to this link. Okay, I have it open on my browser already. This is it. So it is good to use standard post types in embedding widgets in our team. So when users have said all this before. So we have different data types to consider when using our parameters. If our data type is for services, for what we do, the article type will be service. If it's for team members, it will be different. So let's check our website. Let's start editing. Let's start work on our website. So for example, we have done the header. So let's continue with this main part. So this 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 pattern of this page looks like that of a slideshow. So definitely our data type will consider the slideshow data type. Where is it? Okay, we have it here. So the next to do is to go to our code and edit the necessary sections to edit. And remember, I told you that we are to edit all our main in index.html. If it's for header and footer, we have to do that in template raw. So since we are editing other sections, I'm in my index.html right here. So to make this, we have to embed widgets in this. So to embed our widget, we start like this. We start like widget parameters. Just follow what I type. We definitely get it. So we use application underscore article, what I told you before. Oh, sorry about that. Then I have add a new post that I told you about. Let's go. So for this add a new post, let's check the number of posts we have here. I think this is the only post we have here, so can just put one here, then comma. Next one to consider is the article types. You can just copy it from here. So article types, copied it. Then let's close this tag. So let's check our website to see if it's updated already. I think there's an error here. Okay, this. Let's check again. There seems to be an error. Still bringing this. Okay, the new posts. Okay, I'm not supposed to put a. That was not supposed to be an equals to. It was supposed to be a colon. So now we change this to article description. And this will be our article title. Then this HTML tag, this let's consult, we can add a widget there also. So let's add a widget here. So the widget will be like, let me just copy this, not to waste time. But it will definitely be a different parameter. The article types will be, let's check. The article types will be a call to action. The article type should be, okay, to be a post link, not a call to action. The article type will be a post link. Okay, this is it for me. So let's paste all copied. So the href here should be post link, post underscore link, and this one should be article title. Then we can pick a length of title from here. Then our length of title can just be 20. It can be anyone you like, depending on what you prefer. Then let's close this widget tag here. So let's check our website if everything has been updated. Let's check our website from here. Yes, and everything has been updated. Our slideshow, the length of title we want to add to the slideshow. So let's go to the next section. And the next section here, this one looks like a feature. This one looks like, let's read this page. So the next one here looks like a feature, So we have 3 features there. If you check very well, we have 3 features. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So let's identify it from here. 1, 2, then 3. So we can have this. I'm just trying to reduce it so you can know. Okay, have our page back. So for these features, we need to, since they are different, they have different content, we have to add data. Okay, let's add our widget there first before we go any further. Let's add our widget there. Can just copy it from here, then edit it. So let's put our widget here. But remember, this article types will change. Let's check for the kind of article types you can use there. So let's choose this one, this feature, copy it. Paste it here. Then with this we can have with this we can change this one to our article title. Change this one also to article title. And let's not forget, we are supposed to change this to 3. Supposed to change that to 3. So let's check if this has been updated on our website, on our team. Okay, why do we have this? Okay, we have to make this. These are supposed to be in data. We are supposed to add a tag called data 0, data 1, different tags like that. To not make it duplicate like that. So these two, and data 1. Data 1. Okay, this is data 2. So then you can just copy all of this. Put it there. I'm just trying to make everything align so our code will be readable. See, everything has now been updated. So from here, I hope you understand how we did this slideshow part and how we did this feature part also. So from here, let's go to our next section. We have the welcome to your Ed Center here. So this looks like an about page, and let's look at the code. For an about page like this, we can just add replaceable text here. I've told you about the replaceable text. You can just add our replaceable text here. We have our organization name, short description about organization. So if you look at this place very well, you can just add welcome to the name of our organization. So we can just put organization name from here. Copy it. Let's copy it from here. Organization name. So instead of this to your health center, you can say to your organization name that. And this one should be a description about our organization. This one should be a description now. So short, we can just copy this one. Short description of our organization. Then paste it here. And okay, let's check for our progress. On the team. Yeah, we have it here. Our organization name and our short description about organization. We have it there. So this picture, we can just use. We can add the widget in this picture. For this picture, we can add the widget, and the widget we will be adding here will be a site info widget. So watch me as I do this. Widget parameters. Is equal to so our widget parameters can be so this one. Let's just continue this. We just parameter to the class of application application underscore site info. So you can have a widget like that. And this image, okay, let's put this in here first. Okay, well, these are set right. So this image, you can just embed it. This is how to embed image. Underscore image underscore URL. Then so it can display the cover photo in our site info, in our basic info. So let's check for our progress in our website. This image should have been edited. Yes. So once we add a cover photo in our basic info, in our admin panel, it will be updated here. So let's go to our next page. Let's go to our next page. If you don't understand, you can watch the process again. If you don't understand, you can watch the process again. You definitely get it. So for this part, our doctors. So we can just change these doctors to our team, like our team. Not everyone might want to use team for this thing for an hospital where we can have our doctors. You might want to use it for another organization, so we can just say our team here. So let's check for the next. So we can just put our team here, and if you recall, we have our doctors here too. We have doctors here too, so I'll have to change that also. So for the doctor session, let me just change. Let's change this doctors. These doctors, change it to team. Or team members, anyone, the one you like, but I prefer using team. So to start with this, we need to embed these pictures first. These pictures, we need to embed it first. So as I embedded that guy, is equal to, so to embed the picture, these are now to embed the picture, document underscore URL underscore URI. This is how to embed a picture on a post. Then let me copy this. Edit it also. Yeah, so for this, we've not even added any widget here. So let's check the type of data type we have to use to embed the widget here. We have team there. If you find team member, one with team member, is it? Here is it. So we have the one with article types, team member, and the likes. Let's add the widget here first. Let me count the number of posts we have here first. 3. Okay, I have more than 3. I have 5. So let's add the widget parameter. Widget Then the parameters for this. Well, let me just copy from the one on top. So as not to waste that time. Paste it here. Looks like we have an error, but it's just a one-time error. So add a new post, then we can copy this article type should be team member. Article type should be team member. Then this should be in quotes. Then we have the post type custom field. This should be so we have 5 here, 1 2 3 4 5. So let's change the number of posts we have to have there. Then we are good to go. Let's edit each and every one of this. I've edited this part, the image. Then this call, if you check our custom field, we don't have something like call here, so can just change it to, we can just change, we don't have call, we don't have WhatsApp on our custom type field, so you can just change it to Facebook, something like Facebook. And this one can change it to Twitter. Okay, I think we should have logo here too. Logo Facebook, logo Twitter. Then this one should be our full name. And this one we can have the position, the old. Then we are good to go. And let's not forget, for it not to duplicate, we have to add, we should not forget to add our data 0 there. This should be data 1. So let's copy this one. Should have full name here too. The position, the data 1 or data 2. This is supposed to be data 2. and the top should be logo slash Facebook. I will logo dash Facebook, then Twitter. Yeah. The full name and the position table. Our data 3. Okay, we've not embedded the image, so let's copy this one. Embed image. So we are done with that part. Let's check our website to check our progress, if what we are doing it right. So the next one to do is our blog. See, these have been updated with and okay, this will be updated with team. So for the blog part, we need to embed our image here first. The image should be our article title. We embed this image, one of display picture also. Let's check out widget parameters not properly set. Let's check what we did, if we did it right or not. So our team the 0 coming. Okay, I think there should be a closing tag for this curly braces. Let's check it. Okay, so this has been updated. You see our Facebook logo, our Twitter logo. This next one also, and the section is sliding. So let's go to the next part. That should be our blog. That should be our blog. Okay, this is the t-shirt. And for the blog, let's embed our widgets. Let's check the number of posts we have on it first. Let's check. Okay. Okay, so we have 3 posts. Let's embed our widget there first. Let me copy the widget from here so everything can just go. Or let me type it, don't worry. So we have widgets parameters go to, then can have the closing tag, then you should have class the number of posts we have to add, and that's 3. We checked is 3. Yeah. Then the last part, let's check. Okay, for this blog, let's check our website. Okay, this is it. Here it is. We have blog post. So the article types here will be blog post, and the true post type will be article. So this should be in column. Oh, sorry. And this should be column. Let's not forget our comma here. Okay. So for this, okay, I've not closed the tag. I'm not closed the chat tag. Okay, let me copy this one. Then put it down here. Down. Okay. Let's put it down. The next to do is to embed our images. We check our website very well. These images, let's embed it, and this one can make it our article title also. So to embed our image, have question mark. Okay, here it is. Document. For me. Okay. I want to put it in the other section. So after embedding our image, the next thing to do, this can just make it our article title, and this one is showing the picture of the author of the post. So here we can just put, we have to embed image here also. Let's copy this, but the content of the image won't be document underscore URL. We have cover underscore photo. So we have cover underscore photo right there. Oh, sorry. We have display picture. That flew my mind. I'll display picture here. So let me just copy this and paste it in the other sections. So let's change this to our article title. So this to our article title. Then this one should be, let's check, Roger Adams. It's still the name of the person, the author of the post, the name of the author of the post. So we change this to, it will be that will be display underscore name. And this one to display underscore name. Right here too, display underscore name. And the next thing to do is to change the date on the date the post was uploaded. So to do this, we might not use all this 1 week ago. We can just use, let's delete this. We can use article date, article underscore date, actually article underscore date underscore d, then article underscore date underscore the month that will represent m, comma, article underscore date underscore year. So let's copy all of this and update it here also. Copy this. Okay. So let's check our website. Hey, to avoid it duplicating, I think I've been making that mistake, and I would like you not to make the mistake. So we have to put, if you remember, we have to put data 0, data 1, and data 2, and the likes, depending on the number of posts we have there. So for this data 0, put it here. Data 1, put it here. Then data 2, put it here. So let's check our website again. So here it is. Wait, these pictures have not been updated. Okay, this COVID-19 part, this COVID-19 part, we can just delete it. All this COVID-19 part, we can delete it. So I think this is it. No, this is it. I have it here. Can just delete it. We don't need it. So okay. The date has been updated. The display name has been updated. The and the title of our post also. So I guess coming. So after you have done all this, we can move to our next step, and our next step is to update the other sections. Our next step is to update the other sections, and we can also change these colors. We can also change the colors to the desired color our user wants. We can also change. So I'll see you in the next video.